Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? I hope you are all in a good condition. Today we are going to learn about asking and giving information about cause and effect. Oke, di sini kita akan belajar tentang meminta dan memberikan informasi mengenai penyebab dan efeknya. Oke. Ini adalah kompetensi dasar 3.24 tentang pengetahuan. This is the base competence of knowledge. Ya, kurikulum kita seperti ini. Kalian diminta untuk menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks, interaksi transaksional, lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait hubungan sebab akibat sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya, ya. Dengan menggunakan unsur kebahasaan because of, due to, thanks to. Okay, and then this one is a best competence of skill. Nah, ini keterampilannya. Yang diminta adalah kalian bisa menyusun teks interaksi transaksional, lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait hubungan sebab akibat. Dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasan yang benar sesuai konteks. Okay, this is an example of dialogue about cause and effect. The topic is homework. Okay, watch the sentence that using cause and effect, ya. Jadi ini adalah dialog tentang homework. Coba tolong diperhatikan kalimat mana yang mengandung sebab dan akibat. Bella, can I ask your help, please? Bella, sure, Ali. What happened? Ali, yesterday my mother was sick, so I had to take care of her in the hospital. As a result of it, I didn't finish my math homework. If you don't mind, could you teach me how to answer some of the hard questions? Bella, of course, maybe today after school. Sounds good. Thanks a lot, Bella. Bella, no worries. Okay, from this dialogue, can you find which one the sentence that using cause and effects? Can you find it? Okay, of course, in the bold words, ya, kata-kata yang ditebalkan. As a result of it. As a result of. Ya, maka dari itu saya tidak bisa menyelesaikan PR matematika saya. Kenapa dia nggak bisa mengerjakan PR matematikanya? Karena dia harus menjaga, ya, karena dia harus menjaga ibunya di rumah sakit. Okay, next. Okay, this is cause and effect. Sebab dan akibat. Okay, an effect is what happens in a story. A cause is why something happen, ya. Effect itu adalah sesuatu yang terjadi dalam sebuah cerita atau hasil dari sebuah pekerjaan. A cause is why something happen, ya. Cause itu penyebabnya itu kenapa sih itu bisa terjadi seperti itu. Okay, this is the second dialogue. Okay, this is the second dialogue about cause and effect. You can read this by yourself. Bisa dibaca sendiri. Coba, I'll give you time for read this dialogue. Okay, have you finished to read this dialogue? This is dialogue between Algi and Anissa. Okay, can you find which one the sentence that using cause and effect? Which one? This one? Yes, I was so hungry, so I bought some food in the cafeteria. And then the second one. Today is my birthday, therefore I'm so happy. Good. And then the third is, as a result, the teacher punished him. Yeah, he didn't do this homework. As a result, the teacher punished him. Okay, good. Next, this is the assessment. Tugasnya, coba kalian jawab pertanyaan ini di kolom forum nantinya ya. Coba 1 until 7, try to answer it. Write down the answer in the forum in e-learning ya. Jawab nanti pertanyaannya di kolom forum di e-learning. Okay. This is the signal words to use cause and effect. This is the connector, penghubungnya, penghubung dalam menggunakan sebab dan akibat. Due to, because of, owing to, thanks to, as a consequence of, as a result of, because, since, as, for. Okay, connector showing cause and effect ya, penghubung yang menunjukkan sebab dan akibat. Di sini ada because, as, and since, for, because. These conjunctions usually follows the main clause. Ya, because ini selalu diikuti oleh main clause-nya, indukannya ya. Everybody likes her because she's very kind and friendly. Ya, jadi diikutin dengan kalimat yang lengkap. Semua orang menyukainya karena dia sangat baik dan ramah. Seperti itu. As and since, they are very similar, but as is less formal than since ya. As ini lebih formal daripada since. They are used when the reason is well known. The clauses that start with this word are often at the beginning of the sentence. For example, as I very tired, I went to bed early. Since you are not interested, I won't tell you about it ya. Karena saya lelah banget, saya mau segera tidur gitu. Kemudian ya, sejak kamu tidak tertarik, saya tidak mau mengatakannya tentang itu, kayak gitu. For is suggest that the reason is given as an afterthought. Example, we listened eagerly for he brought news from our family. Ya, jadi kita juga bisa menggunakan for di sini. Okay, and then connector showing cause and effect. Connectors followed by a noun phrase, a noun or a gerund. Because of ya, jadi kalau tadi because itu diikuti dengan kalimat yang lengkap, komplit, ada subjek, objeknya, dan keterangannya. Kalau di because of ini hanya singkat aja ya, diikuti oleh noun phrase, pronoun atau gerund. They had a problem raising cash because of. Nah, kalimat setelah because of-nya ini hanya phrase aja, bukan kalimat lengkap ya. Of the credit crunch ya, kayak gitu. Due to and owning. Due to is adjectival ya. It follows a noun or pronoun, whereas owning to is adverbial. It complements a verb, dilengkapi oleh kata kerja. Coba dibandingkan. The game was cancelled owing to heavy rain. The cancellation of the game was due to heavy rain. Bedanya apa coba? Ya, yang pertama the game was cancelled ya, game dibatalkan karena hujan yang lebat. Ya, the cancellation of game, penyebab dari batalnya game adalah hujan yang lebat. Thanks to. Nah, kalau thanks to ini digunakan untuk mengucapkan terima kasih atau mungkin kalimat sindiran pun bisa. Kayak gitu. Makasih ya udah ngasih saya tumpangan, kayak gitu. Okay, this is the examples. Because Bella was nervous, she didn't pass the driving test. He is always late because he's always stay up at night. She was dismissed as a consequence of her ignorance. As a result of the rain, we canceled the outing. Due to Bella's nervousness, she didn't pass the driving test. Okay, this is the last screen of the cause and effect. If you have questions, we can join to the forum of cause and effect. That's enough for this material. Thank you and bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.